Hello friends, welcome in my digital marketing learners. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Forms. What is Google Forms? Google Forms is a free tool provided by Google that allows you to create online forms and surveys. You can use it for various purposes, including collecting information, conducting surveys, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Google Forms. Google Forms benefits. 1. Easy to create. 2. Forms are mobile friendly. 3. Create unlimited free forms. 4. Get email notification of results also in the spreadsheets. Steps to create Google Forms. 1. Access Google Forms. First, navigate Google Forms on your web browser. 2. Sign into your account. Sign in with your Google credential. 3. Create a new form. Click the plus blank to create a new form. 4. Add question and sections. Click on the form title to your form a name. Click on the Untitled Form section to add a description. To add questions, click on the plus button on the sidebar. You can choose various question types, including multiple choice, short answer and more. To create section, click on Add Section button in the sidebar. 5. Edit questions. Click on a question to edit it. Customize the question text and answer choices. You can also make a questions required by clicking the Required toggle button. 6. Personalize your form. Click on the Color palette to change and design your theme of forms. Add an image and video to your form by clicking the Image or Video icons in the toolbar. 7. Configure setting. Click on the setting in the top right corner to configure your form settings. You can control who can respond to the form, limit responses, and collect email addresses if needed. 8. Preview and test. Click on the I icon in the top right corner to preview your form. You can also use the Send button to send a test form to yourself. 9. Share your form. Once you're satisfied with your form, click the Send button to share it. You can choose to send it via a link, email, social media, or embed it on a website. 10. Collect responses. As respondents submit their responses, you can view and manage them by clicking the Responses tab. Responses can be exported to Google Sheets to further analysis. Thank you friends for being here. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.